Today we're gonna demonstrate how to fix the chipped blade. This is Yoshihiro Bluestone number 2 Kurouchi Kyoto 18¼ chef knife with a beautiful shitan rosewood handle. I'm not sure you can see the chipped part. It looks pretty bad, but we're gonna fix it with a whetstone. Keep a big angle. Unlike making your daily sharpening, you need to give a big angle. It may take 10 to 15 minutes with a 1000 grip stone. If you have a 4 to 500 grip stone, it may reduce the time. Knives are now generally sharp or fixed edge, but now we're gonna do sharpening with the 3000 grip stone in order to make a sharper edge. Now much looks better than before compared to other side. Now we're gonna sharpen back. Now we have a extremely sharp edge back. I'm not sure you can see. Thank you for watching Yoshihiro sharpening demonstration and lessons and tips. Thank you.